Cameleon tutorial, how to build a vertical jig. We'll show you how to build this jig as an example, but your configuration might use different parts and different values. First thing, we have to spot its location on the bench. It will go at position 8 in length and -4 in width, as indicated in the jig window. You can find these positions here in the 3D view, 8 -4, and here in the drawing, 8 -4. In this position, we place a sliding block type L to go on the left side of the bench, with the arrow pointing forward. We tighten it down. We input the values in the sliders. For the length slider in yellow, we input 66 mm, and for the width slider in green, 62 mm. We tighten it down. On top of the sliding block, we place tower MZ260, facing toward the rear of the bench, as indicated in the 3D view by this yellow notch, or in the drawing by this triangle. Bolt down the tower. We recommend to leave the bolts a bit loose, so it's easier to fit the jig inside the hole when lowering the car on the bench. Next, we are going to assemble the piston, plate, height adapter and socket. We'll be using a piston P160. On top of it, we bolt a plate UP004. On the plate, we screw a height adapter AD05. On top of the height adapter, we screw a socket UV13 with a height offset of 1.9 mm that you adjust using this ruler. We will also need an HM screw of diameter 12 and pitch 150, along with a screw stopper VB12.150. We can now place the piston inside the tower, following the orientation you see in the 3D view or in the drawing. For this jig, we'll select the pin in the second hole from the top in the tower, as indicated by this -2 after the tower name, and in the hole D in the piston, as indicated by the -D after the piston name. This jig is now ready to be attached with the car.